Today, my team Noha and our members are going to speak on the topic respect. Can anyone say what you mean by respect?
Respect is a positive attitude shown by us to others.
Yes, Kathleen, you're right. Respect is the positive attitude shown by us towards other people. Respect is also the important aspect of our life. So today I'm going to tell a story on respect. Once there lived an old blind man. So during night time he used to carry a lamp with him in the roadside. And one day few travelers saw him and made fun of him that this blind man, why he's carrying this lamp? He can't see anything, then why should he carry the lamp? Then like that the travelers made him fun. But the blind man in reply told them that I am blind, but still I carry this lamp for you so that you guys can see me and will not push me so that I won't fall. So the travelers got ashamed of themselves, and they got so badly hidden by that words of this old man. And from this little short story you can understand that respect is one of the most important thing. Even though they are small or even they are younger than you, you should show more respect to them. And there's a quote by Hussein Nisha, an important quote: treat people the way you wanted to treat, talk to people the way you want to talk, and respect is earned, not given. That is the quote by Hussein Nisha. And now I want to conclude my speech. For the conclusion, I call upon Andrea.
Even if you don't get respect, show respect. Thank you.
Thank you all for listening our speech. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Well done, children. Second group. Did you all enjoy it?
Yes.
Let's go to the third.
Happiness is not what you find at the end of the road. It's right here, right now, in you. A quote by Robert Abdurrahman. How many of you are happy today? Are you all happy now? A very good morning to the whole crowd sitting in front of your gadget. I am here to speak on happiness and how to be happy. According to me, happiness is me. It's the person I see when I look at the mirror. I am happy when I look at my face, my looks, my body features, everything. And it goes on. Is happiness something that depends on external factors? Fear of failing at something that you decided not to try it at all? Why are you so afraid to fail? A very good morning to all of you present here. I will be telling you something very important on the topic. Is failure something which you need to avoid? So listen very carefully. Many of us have probably experienced this at one time or the other. The fear of failing can be so immobilizing. It can cause us to do nothing and therefore resist in moving forward. But when we allow our fear to stop our forward progress in life, we are likely to miss some great opportunities.
The longer you go without falling, the more and more scared you get of falling. So my friends, in order to succeed in our life, we need to get out of a comfort zone. In simple words, we should start putting ourselves in a situation involving exposure to danger. What is this exposure to danger? It literally means we should start taking more risks in our life.
You were very happy like for the whole day, but at least for that moment, you were there with him. And that must have, made him feel very good. And by seeing that, you will feel happy automatically. Yeah? Go to any of your family friends, your relatives, anyone, just call. Okay, even if you're doing nothing, just call and then ask, how are you? Are all of you good? Just for your happiness. When you do this, not only you, but your surrounding, okay, who all are there in your atmosphere, they all get happy, not only you. Rather than being like, selfish, looking for happiness only for you.
Success is a journey, not a destination. A very happy afternoon to one and all present here. Today myself, Aishwarya, stands before you to talk about my topic, the factors of success. Now what is success? Success is much more than riches, power or fame. It is simply the feeling of happiness or satisfaction that one gets from leading life in a particular way or by carrying out a particular activity. Everyone wants to become successful at something.
After living in Macedonia for the first 18 years of her life,
I would like to answer the question before letting me that give a definition of a great leader. According to the idea of transformational leadership, an effective leader is a person who does the following: creates an inspiring vision for the future, motivates and inspires people to engage with that vision and work towards this vision. Yes, this vision works